Dom, I think we all deal with situations regularly where a carrier may not acknowledge or recognize something on the estimate or just outright say no or refuse. Let's talk about what customers can do in those situations to try to reach a resolution with the carrier.
Uh, and as much as we provide a repair plan, a blueprint for the repair that is supported by documentation, we can and do share that information with our guests. Certainly that information is not proprietary, and if it helps them in getting a point across to the insurer that will get a particular procedure paid for so that they're not out of pocket on it, then that's a great option as far as getting something approved.
Yeah, I think that is a really great point, and that's something that we do in our facility, and we'll also do it in conjunction with um, past claim data, right? So if that situation has come up in the past where a carrier has recognized that operation or procedure or whatever it may be that's in dispute on this claim, we'll arm the customer with that data so they can go to their carrier and they can say, well, look, I don't quite understand. You've paid this for other claims for other customers. Why am I being treated differently?
Well
So
said.
that to me is a really powerful one. Any other ones you can think of?
Uh, Absolutely. I think that, a great way to get a point across would be to escalate to an upper level management. Many claims departments are uh, managed at the local level when it comes to a local claim. However, if you bring it up to a higher level manager that maybe is in the home office or
Hmm.
someone that is viewing this objectively and not necessarily as part of a market condition, can certainly perhaps get things approved.
Yeah, and I think that sometimes just having a higher authority level, right? They
Absolutely.
have more say so um, to resolve the issue than a local manager would. I think lastly, another good recourse would be to reach out to your local agent. Involve your agent,
Absolutely.
explain to them what's going on, give them that information, and then they can escalate those concerns or they can be your advocate. And we've seen many times where that in and of itself will resolve the issue. So all great points and
Well
all
said.
ways as a customer that you can hopefully move your process forward and get full reimbursement for those items that may be in dispute.
If you found today's tip helpful, please hit that thumbs up button and share the video with your family and friends. Comment below for any future suggestions.
These videos are made possible by the Society of Collision Repair Specialists. SCRS and their members are committed to the future of the collision repair industry and serving you, the consumer, well. For more information, visit scrs.com or use the link in the description below.